Whoa, y'all, you caught me, and I am angry. I'm mad today. There's a ton of Wisteria sinensis, invasive Chinese wisteria. We're gonna do something about it, man. I'm unleashing my anger. All right, now, in all seriousness, today I am hanging out with Matt Nielsen, who owns Green Groves. He's a consulting arborist with a lot of certifications, even more knowledge, and he is really doing his part to reestablish native habitat in North Mississippi, especially the Oxford community, rebuilding these plant communities that have been pushed to the side and lost. So I'm happy to be hanging with him today. And this area you see behind me used to look like that brush back there. And we are performing an all-out attack on invasive species. And it's not gonna end today. This is just the first step. This is not an easy process, and you've got to use a variety of tools and methods to control these kind of species. So let's take a look at the number one invasive species we're tackling, so you understand a little bit of how much goes into reversing the effects that we've had on the landscape. If we brought this here, we planted it, and now we're dealing with it. And it's not easy. So just yesterday, this area that's been cleared with the help of Matt's team, Chase, who's a local forester, just a really good group of folks that are working on this project. But yesterday, this cleared area looked like this. All of it was just full of Wisteria sinensis, or Chinese wisteria. And I believe this was brought over as a landscape ornamental. It could have had another purpose. Either way, many, many years ago, this was a popular plant for garden spaces, and this is what we're dealing with today. It's almost behaving like kudzu does here in the South. So this was the number one species we're after, and you know, it doesn't stop here. That stuff will return. We're gonna have to use a multitude of control methods, mechanical control, chemical control, whatever we can do to eradicate it. I guess the point I'm trying to make is that keep these particularly bad invasive species in check, or get rid of them so that we can take our land back. This is not an overnight matter. Promoting native habitat and performing this kind of service for the community, because this is very valuable work and a lot of people don't realize that. It's very important. I'm glad he's doing it. So thank you all for watching. Y'all have a good one.